Get ready, tech titans. We're diving headfirst into the biggest stories shaping the future, from Oracle's monumental AI deal to the latest in AI ETFs, and a deep dive into the healthcare revolution. Plus, we've got the inside scoop on why Combinator's latest batch of innovators. You do not want to miss this. First up, Larry Ellison and Oracle are making waves with a staggering $317 billion in new contracts, largely thanks to OpenAI. We're talking about a deal that's sending shockwaves through the tech world and reshaping cloud computing as we know it. This is huge. Then, we're tracking the explosive growth of AI ETFs, with top performers like Amplify AI-powered equity ETF, Global X Artificial Intelligence and Technology ETF, and Crane shares Artificial Intelligence and Technology ETF hitting new highs. Get ready for the data that's driving these market movers. And we're not stopping there. We'll explore the future of healthcare with insights from Bob Kocher and Lamont, and get the latest from Y Combinator's Demo Day, where new startups are already snagging major investments. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Oracle's AI Bonanza, a $317 billion deal, rewrites the cloud narrative. This week, Oracle, a company once on the fringes of the cloud wars, has exploded into the AI arena with unprecedented force. CEO Safra Catz announced a jaw-dropping $317 billion in new contracts, a figure that sent its stock soaring and briefly made Larry Ellison the world's richest person. The driving force behind this seismic shift? OpenAI. A staggering $300 billion of that contracted revenue comes from the ChatGPT maker, solidifying Oracle as its primary cloud partner for the massive computing power needed for its ambitious AI projects, including the highly anticipated Project Stargate. This deal, set to begin in 2027, not only explains OpenAI's immense cash burn, but also positions Oracle as a crucial, albeit late, player in the AI infrastructure race. While Microsoft and Amazon saw their stocks dip, Oracle's surge highlights a new paradigm where a company's valuation can be singularly driven by a few massive AI contracts. Analysts like Brad Reback acknowledge the concentration risk but remain bullish, stating, AI is not Petscom. Yet, the reliance on a few key clients, like OpenAI for Oracle and top customers for NVIDIA, underscores the unique dynamics of the current AI boom, where Oracle's GPU business has transformed from an afterthought into a bellwether for the global economy's AI-driven future. Don't go anywhere, the AI ETF surge is next. Plus, we're diving into the innovative minds at Y Combinator's Demo Day. AI ETF surge to new highs fueled by Oracle's cloud dominance. AI-focused exchange-traded funds are experiencing a massive surge, with top performers like the Amplify AI-powered equity ETF, AIEQ, Global X Artificial Intelligence and Technology ETF, AIQ, and Crane shares Artificial Intelligence and Technology ETF, AGIX, reaching new 52-week highs. This rally is significantly boosted by Oracle's explosive announcement of demand for its AI-based cloud offerings. The strength in Oracle's cloud services has directly benefited companies supplying the essential hardware, such as Micron Technology and Western Digital, which are critical for training and running large AI models. These gains are flowing directly into the AI ETFs that hold them. Adding fuel to the fire, weaker U.S. jobs data has increased optimism for Federal Reserve rate cuts, a boon for growth sectors like AI. These ETFs now represent a key gateway for investors looking to capitalize on the long-term growth story of artificial intelligence, a sector Wedbush's Dan Ives has dubbed the fourth industrial revolution, predicting over $1 trillion in AI investment in the coming decade. Investors are not just showing fleeting enthusiasm. AI mentions in S&P 500 earnings calls have quadrupled in 3 years, signaling a deep-seated belief in AI's transformative power across semiconductors, hyperscalers, software, and cybersecurity. But what does this AI boom mean for the future of healthcare? Stick around as we hear from industry leaders Bob Kocher and Lamont. Oracle's cloud ambitions, a skyrocketing stock and a $144 billion forecast. Oracle's stock has more than doubled in 2025, defying expectations after a recent earnings report that saw it miss analyst targets for revenue and profits. The market's enthusiasm is squarely focused on the company's burgeoning cloud computing business, particularly its AI capabilities. Oracle is aggressively expanding its cloud infrastructure, projecting a monumental leap from $10.3 billion in fiscal 2025 to a staggering $144 billion by fiscal 2030. This ambitious forecast is underpinned by a massive increase in remaining performance obligations, RPOs, to $455 billion, largely due to 4 major contracts signed in the last quarter. The company is investing heavily, with capital expenditures rising to $35 billion, primarily for GPUs, to meet the demand for AI inference, where it believes it has a significant edge by allowing customers to integrate their Oracle databases with LLMs. While the growth prospects are immense, Oracle faces challenges. It carries over $80 billion in debt and has not generated free cash flow recently, pouring all operating cash into data center expansion. Furthermore, its forward P/E ratio is around 50, indicating a high valuation. Investors are watching closely to see if Oracle can manage its significant debt and capital expenditure plans while navigating the competitive cloud landscape dominated by giants like Amazon, Alphabet, and Microsoft. From cloud giants to startup stars, what's next in innovation? We're heading to Y Combinator's demo day for the hottest new ventures. The AI infrastructure scramble, Oracle's OpenAI deal, and the IPO resurgence. The tech landscape is in a frenzy as companies scramble to build the infrastructure needed to power the AI revolution, with Oracle suddenly catapulting into the top ranks of hyperscaler cloud providers. This surge is largely attributed to a monumental $300 billion deal with OpenAI over 5 years to provide compute power for its ambitious AI endeavors. This massive contract has not only boosted Oracle's stock, making Larry Ellison briefly the world's richest man, but also highlights the immense demand for AI infrastructure. The AI Infra Summit revealed intense interest from engineers and investors eager to tap into this booming market, drawing parallels to the dot-com era, but with a conviction that AI's impact is fundamentally different and more enduring. Amidst this infrastructure race, numerous AI and data companies like Databricks, Mistral AI, and Perplexity are securing significant funding, signaling a strong resurgence in IPOs with successful offerings from Figure, Klarna, and Gemini. The news also touches on the complex corporate structures within AI, with OpenAI's nonprofit parent set to receive a substantial stake in its for-profit arm, and explores advancements in quantum computing with PsiQuantum's billion-dollar funding round, alongside a flurry of updates in cybersecurity and enterprise AI tools. That's a wrap on today's top stories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. What a week in tech! Oracle is soaring thanks to a massive OpenAI deal, AI ETFs are hitting new highs, and the healthcare innovation landscape is evolving rapidly with insights from industry leaders. Plus, Y Combinator's demo day is showcasing the next wave of startup success. Stay connected with us for all the breaking news. Like this video, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere, hit the notification bell, drop a comment below, and follow us on all social platforms.